Another day, another story. Creating a Shopify store is a straightforward process that can be broken down into several simple steps. Sign up for a Shopify account. To create a Shopify store, you need to sign up for an account. Visit the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button to begin the process. Choose a plan. Shopify offers different pricing plans to suit different business needs. Choose the plan that best fits your business, based on your budget and features you need. Set up your store. Once you've signed up and chosen your plan, you'll be prompted to set up your store. This involves adding your store name, address, and contact information, as well as customizing your store design. Add products. With your store set up, it's time to add products to sell. You can do this by clicking on the Products tab in the Admin panel, and then selecting Add Product. Enter the product details, including the name, description, price, and images. Set up payment and shipping options. To receive payments from customers and ship products to them, you need to set up payment and shipping options. Shopify offers a variety of payment and shipping options to choose from. Launch your store. Once you've completed all of the above steps, you're ready to launch your Shopify store. Simply click on the Launch Website button in the Admin panel, and your store will be live. Market your store. Finally, it's important to market your store to attract customers. This can include social media, email marketing, paid advertising, and other tactics to get your store in front of your target audience. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to create a Shopify store and start selling your products online. Good luck. Thanks for watching.